I want to make sure you are protecting the moisture that you are working so hard to maintain or working so hard to get. Especially for my ladies that wear protective styles, wigs, braids, twists, added hair in, those types of things. We have to make sure that we are protecting the hair underneath. So even if you're wearing protective styles, your moisture loss doesn't take a break. Your hair still needs to be cared for even with your protective styles. We mistake protective style as I don't have to do nothing to my hair. I put my hair up in braids, so I don't have to do nothing to it. That is false. You put your hair up in braids, you probably should be doing more to it than you would otherwise. Protective styles can end up becoming harmful because the added hair that we put into our hair to make it fuller or longer or thicker or to braid it up, right? They can actually pull moisture from our hair and scalp. A lot of these synthetic hair companies use heavy metals and toxins in the hair that can strip your hair of its natural oil. A lot of times people have exposed many of these companies because they can cause respiratory issues, organ damage, rash, irritation, different types of dermatitis, and then not to mention the friction of the hair rubbing against our skin. So not just our hair, if it's touching your skin, your face, your neck, you can get irritation from there as well. Wearing protective styles, we want to make sure we are hydrating our scalp several times a week. Even if you're not wearing protective style, you should be hydrating your scalp several times a week anyway. Just use a light mist or herbal spray directly in them roots, honey. Just get right in them roots. Spray, spray, spray. Do that a couple times a week. That's better than nothing. And then use a gentle oil to seal. So instead of just oiling your scalp, you hydrate your scalp and then you oil it. Use your fingers to massage it in, and then that's it. Wrap it up in a silk or satin something and whatever. Your nighttime protection is going to matter for you. Satin scarf, satin bonnets, silk scarves are going to always be best, okay? Remoisturize midweek only if needed, again with a light mist or leave-in product, then reseal. So anytime you add moisture, anytime you add water or anytime you hydrate, you have to seal with an oil. That creates the moisture. Remember that. Doing too much manipulation to your hair can also cause you to lose moisture, okay? Or undo the moisture that you're working hard for. No matter how you style your hair, the rule is still the same. If it feels dry, add hydration before you add oil. If you add hydration and you don't add oil, you just wasted product. If you add oil and you don't add hydration, you're just locking in more dryness. So that's it. It's 2 steps. Moisturizing is a 2-step process. So neglecting your hair is the only problem that most of us have with our hair, is that we have neglected it. And neglecting it doesn't mean that we don't do anything to it. Neglecting it means that we don't understand it well enough to do the right things, to do actually what it needs or what it requires, okay? So you can protect your hair and wear protective styles. You can heal your hair without having to show it to the world yet. I tell a lot of women, because they ask, well, Kendra, what am I supposed to do while I'm waiting for my hair to grow back? And my answer is protect it. You can wear your hair however you want to. Literally, just protect it. Keep it protected. Your hair craves moisture. Your hair craves moisture. All right. And so you can do all of that without guilt, without shame, without worrying about what people are going to say if they see your real hair. Trust me, I've heard all the stories. I've lived a lot of those stories. Okay. Your hair just wants you to not neglect it and be consistent. And the other ladies that come back through and watch this video at a later time, the fact that you are even here and have made it this far shows me and should show you that you actually do care about your hair. Okay, you want to make change, to do something different. All right, and that's what's going to matter. Look, this is what I love to do. I love to teach about hair health, and I love to teach it in a way that's relatable and that's fun and that's not boring and scientific, because I am a nerd at heart. I can break down all the science of things, but people are not interested in that. So I had to figure out a way to make learning interesting, okay? And not just sell products.
To watch the full video, click the link below.